Hello, guys. Good evening. How are you all doing? I believe your day is going simply. All right, today we'll be talking about movement of body fluid. That's movement of body fluid. So, movement of body fluid is majorly by membrane transport, and it is divided into two. We have the passive transport and we have the active transport. So in the passive transport, we'll be talking about the movement of substance from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration across a membrane. And under this passive transport, we have the simple diffusion and we have the facilitated diffusion. The simple diffusion talks about the movement of substances from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration until an equilibrium is reached. While facilitated diffusion talks about movement of substances through a biological membrane from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. So moving down to the second type of movement, we'll talk about the active transport, which I mentioned earlier on. The active transport is the opposite of the passive transport. It is the movement of substance from a region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration. It requires energy. So that means for passive transport, it does not require energy. So um we'll also be talking about the reason through which movement of fluids can occur. It is due to the presence of hydrostatic pressure and the presence of osmotic pressure. You might be asking, what is hydrostatic pressure? Hydrostatic pressure is the physiological process that regulates fluid intake and output. What comes to your mind when you hear about hydro? It talks about something liquid, fluid. That's why it is defined as a physiological process that regulates fluid intake and output. So we'll also be talking about the osmotic pressure. So the osmotic pressure talks about the pressure of water separating from a particular solid with different concentration. So at this point, we'll draw the curtain here. Thank you for watching the video to this point in time. It's still your friend Onilo, and I will always say, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for engaging, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys.